Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to create a Gmail account without a cell phone number. This tutorial is very easy, so I highly recommend that you watch until the end. Okay, the first step is to open your web browser. In this video, I use Google Chrome. Then, in the search box type Gmail sign up. Then, click Create Gmail Account. The next step, you need to enter your personal data. Enter your first name and last name. Enter the email address you want. Make sure this email address is unique. Then, type in your Gmail password. Make sure the password is a combination of numbers and letters to increase the level of security. Then, click Next. The next step, you can just skip the cell phone number section, because this is optional. In the email recovery section, you can fill in later. The data that you must fill in this session are your date of birth and gender. Then, click Next. Scroll down, click I agree. Congratulations, now you have successfully created a Gmail account without a phone number. That's how to create a Gmail account without a cell phone number. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.